to take a minute to give a shout out to the best truck name from the last video. It's only been a couple days, but I had a couple people respond. So far I like Aries. I think that's a great name for a truck. Not only is it out astrological, pointing to the symbol of the ram, it's also, you know, kind of awesome because it's Ares in the Greek, who is the god of war. So, great name for a truck. I'm coming to you today because I want to talk about a piece of warranty work that the dealer did on my brake system. You know, sometimes you notice when you're backing up, there might be a vibration or almost like a squeak. The dealer actually calls it a moan, which is kind of weird, but that is what the dealer classifies it as, and there's a kit for it. So I'm going to keep this video really short. I'm going to try to do it under 2 minutes, but I want to show you what the moan kit looks like on. So we're going to climb under the truck and take a look. I'm also going to show you the numbers and the parts on the warranty sheet. If you're backing up in the morning and you hear some weird noises coming from your brakes, you might need this kit. So it might be something just to ask the dealer about, see if they can slap it on for you. There's no cost, it's under warranty. So let's take a look. So here we are under the truck. The kit involves this U-bolt. There's a bracket here that connects, and then there's a bracket up here that connects, and they both go into this U-bolt. So the idea there is to cut down on the vibration coming off the caliper, and so far so good. Here we are on the driver's side, same deal. You've got the U-bolt and you've got the these plates. I just figured I'd share my experience with that issue, and if you're having a similar experience, you might want to take it into your dealer and let them know about it. So that's our brake kit video. Thanks for watching with us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We got some big things coming in the future here with the truck. We're trying to keep it really under wraps. You know, not trying to make any spoilers or give it away, but there's some really big things happening with the truck. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you comment.
Dad,
make sure what?
Dad, look.
Oh, here. Let me just move the camera away. Sorry. We might have let that one slip. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.